If AI really is the new gold rush, which stocks could actually make you rich by 2026? In this video, we breaking down 10 AI stock predictions for the next 2 years in simple language, so you understand both the opportunities and the risks before you put a single dollar to work. This is a big topic, and we're going to cover a lot, so grab a coffee and settle in. Just a quick reminder, this content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Your investments are your responsibility. Now make sure you stay with me until the very end, because prediction number 9 is the one most beginners completely ignore. And it might just be where a lot of quiet wealth is built over the next few years. Ready? Let's dive in. Prediction number 1. AI infrastructure leaders will keep dominating. By 2026, the giants building the core components of AI think chips, cloud platforms, and data centers will likely still capture the biggest slice of the profit pie. Why is this so crucial to understand? Well, every single AI model, every chatbot you talk to, every AI-powered app you use, they all need 3 fundamental things: incredibly powerful chips to do the thinking, massive cloud computing power to scale up, and energy-hungry data centers to keep everything running 24/7. So, the companies selling the picks and shovels in this AI gold rush are positioned to see their revenue continue to climb as more and more businesses across every industry adopt AI technologies. They are the foundational layer, and that makes them a powerful place to start looking. Prediction number 2. AI-powered cloud platforms will become subscription machines. By 2026, we'll see the major cloud platforms, the big names, fully integrate AI tools and turn them into a massive source of recurring subscription revenue. Think about it from a business perspective. Instead of spending millions and years building their own AI from scratch, a company can simply plug into powerful AI tools directly from their existing cloud provider and pay a monthly fee. It's faster, cheaper, and less risky. If this trend accelerates, and all signs point to it, the big cloud leaders could see some amazing results. We're talking higher profit margins because software is incredibly scalable. We're talking stickier customers who are less likely to leave once they've integrated these AI tools deep into their operations. And we're talking about faster growth from all the new AI upsells. For investors, this is key. It means AI isn't just a fleeting hype cycle. It's becoming a steady, predictable cash flow engine for these tech titans. On to prediction number 3. Traditional software companies will win big simply by adding AI. You might be surprised to hear that many of the biggest AI winners by 2026 won't be flashy new startups. They'll be the boring, established software companies that you already know and use. They win by intelligently adding smart features to their existing products. Imagine your office tools automatically writing emails and generating detailed reports for you. Picture design tools that generate stunning images from a simple text prompt. Or coding tools that not only write but also debug complex code. By 2026, the software brands that successfully weave AI into their product DNA could see a triple win. First, they can charge higher prices for these premium, AI-enhanced features. Second, they can reduce churn because their products become indispensable. And third, they can attract a flood of new users who specifically want these powerful AI features built right into the tools they already use. The lesson here is you don't always need to find a pure-play AI startup. Sometimes the biggest winner is the established giant that successfully evolved with the times. Prediction number 4. Cybersecurity stocks are set to surge because of AI-driven threats. This one is a bit of a double-edged sword. As AI gets more powerful, so do the bad guys. By 2026, we can expect that AI-powered cyberattacks will become far more sophisticated and frequent, forcing companies of all sizes to dramatically increase their spending on security. Hackers will use AI to create smarter malware, more convincing phishing scams, and automated attacks that are harder to detect. In response, businesses will have no choice but to fight fire with fire. They'll need AI tools that can detect these advanced threats in real time, automated response systems that can neutralize attacks without human intervention, and much better protection for their cloud infrastructure and data. This creates a powerful tailwind for the cybersecurity industry. By 2026, the security companies that effectively use AI to defend against AI could see a significant and sustained boost in demand for their products and services. Prediction number 5. Data and analytics companies will become the fuel providers of the AI economy. You've heard the saying, data is the new oil. Well, in the world of AI, that's not just a cliche. It's the absolute truth. An AI model is only as good or as smart as the data it's trained on. Garbage in, garbage out. So, by 2026, the companies that own or skillfully organize large, high-quality, and unique datasets could become enormous winners. These are the businesses that are quietly collecting unique industry-specific data, developing sophisticated processes to clean and label that data to make it useful for AI, and then selling access to it. They become the essential fuel providers in this new economy. Without their high-quality data, even the most advanced AI algorithms are useless. As the demand for custom AI models grows, so will the value of the data that powers them. Next up, prediction number 6. Healthcare AI stocks will finally start to break out. For years, AI in healthcare has been more about potential than profit. But by 2026, we could see this sector move from small-scale experiments to generating real, substantial revenue. We're talking about tangible use cases that are already being tested today. Think AI algorithms that can read medical images like X-rays and MR is with superhuman accuracy, helping doctors spot diseases earlier. Think diagnostic tools that help doctors sift through patient data to make faster, more accurate diagnoses. Or complex systems that optimize hospital operations, scheduling, and resource management to save money and improve patient care. As regulators become more comfortable with these technologies and the clinical results become proven, some specialized healthcare AI companies could experience explosive growth. But a word of caution here. This space is also going to be very high risk and will remain highly regulated, so it's not for the faint of heart. Prediction number 7. AI automation will start to eat into the old-school outsourcing industry. A lot of the low-level, repetitive white-collar work that has traditionally been outsourced overseas is now ripe for automation by AI. Tasks like basic customer support, simple coding jobs, and routine document processing can be handled more and more by AI systems. By 2026, we'll see a clear divide in the business services world. The winners will be the companies that embrace AI, not fight it. Service companies that successfully build AI into their workflows could see their business models transform. They'll benefit from higher profit margins because they can do more work with fewer people. They have the ability to handle a much larger volume of clients and scale their operations in a way that was previously impossible. In this environment, investors will likely reward the AI-first service providers and punish the ones who stick to their old, manual, labor-intensive ways. Prediction number 8. Small, profitable AI niche players will get re-rated by the market. Not all AI winners will be mega-cap tech stocks. By 2026, I predict that some smaller, highly specialized AI companies that are already profitable today could see their stock prices get revalued much, much higher. These aren't the companies you read about on the front page every day. They are businesses laser-focused on solving very specific problems in specific industries. Think about a company that creates AI for optimizing complex logistics and supply chains, or AI for improving efficiency in industrial automation and manufacturing, or specialized AI tools built for professions like law or accounting. They may not be famous, but as Wall Street and mainstream investors start to dig deeper and realize the incredible growth and profitability of these niche leaders, their stock prices could re-rate significantly upward. It pays to look beyond the obvious names. And here we are at prediction number 9, the one I told you to wait for. This is the hidden winner that many people overlook, the AI plus energy theme. AI is incredibly power-hungry. Those massive data centers we talked about are some of the most energy-intensive buildings on the planet. To function, AI needs a constant, reliable supply of electricity. It needs advanced cooling systems to stop the servers from overheating. And the advanced chips themselves use a tremendous amount of power. So, by 2026, the companies that are tied to powering this AI revolution could become a quiet but powerful way to invest in the trend. We're talking about utilities that provide the electricity, energy infrastructure companies that build the grid, and cooling technology providers that specialize in data centers. This isn't a direct AI play, but it's a critical and often overlooked enabling industry. It's the ultimate picks and shovels play for the digital age. Finally, prediction number 10. Many of today's AI hype stocks will crash while true quality quietly compounds. Let's be realistic. By 2026, a lot of the overhyped AI stocks that are soaring today on pure speculation might crash back down to earth, History is filled with examples of this during tech booms. But at the same time, the truly great companies, the ones with real cash flow, strong balance sheets, and durable competitive advantages, will likely keep compounding their value steadily. So instead of chasing every stock with I in its name or trying to find the next Nvidia, the smarter long-term move might be to focus on high-quality businesses that are using AI as a tool to become stronger, rather than just using it as a buzzword to pump their stock. So will all 10 of these predictions come true by 2026? Nobody knows for sure, and the future is always uncertain. But understanding the different ways that money might actually flow through the AI economy can help you make more educated decisions and see beyond the daily headlines. If you found this breakdown helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives like this. And I want to hear from you in the comments. Which of these AI opportunities are you most interested in, the infrastructure, the healthcare applications, or that hidden energy angle? Let me know. And if you want a beginner-friendly guide on how to start investing in AI step by step, check out my other videos right here on the channel. Thanks for watching.